Now, this remedial coaching class, it is from the paper 1, Life and Diversity of the Animal. And topic is Asteria's water vascular system. Now, this water vascular system of particular Asterias, it is consisting of the locomotory system, or we can say it is a water system or ambulacral system. It is also known as ambulacral system, is a typical and unique feature of echinoderm, which is a typical feature and unique feature of phylum Echinodermata. It represents a specialized part of coelom consisting of system of canals. Canal systems are there, and that we have to study step by step. So these are the parts of water vascular system that particularly occur in canal system, that is madreporite, stone canal, ring canal, Tiedemann's bodies, radial canal, lateral canal, and tube feet. These are the parts which are present in particularly canal system. It represents a specialized part of coelom consisting of system of canals containing seawater and amoeboid corpuscles. Not only this canal system is consisting of seawater, but also it possesses the amoeboid corpuscles, means amoeba-like cells are there. All these canals have muscular wall and line up by ciliated epithelium. जितने भी canals दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, all these canals are ciliated epithelium, consisting of ciliated epithelium. All canals have muscular wall and are lined by ciliated epithelium. It helps particularly in locomotion. That we will see how this water vascular system helps in locomotion. The water vascular system of Asterias consists of following parts. Now, this is a madreporite. First point is a madreporite. I suppose magnified this madreporite, you can see such a front view of a madreporite. This is a lateral view of a madreporite. Now, at the top end, you will get 250 pores. These are the pores. 250 pores are there, and these are the pore canals. These are known as pore canals, and it opens into ampulla. This is a sinus that is known as axial sinus. This is a lamella and a stone canal. This is a stone canal. Ampulla release into a stone canal. Now, this is a structure which is found on aboral surface. This is found on aboral surface, where these two arms are there. These are the radial canals which are present in particularly one arm. This is one arm canal, radial canal. This is another arm radial canal, where the madreporite is present in between two arms is known as bivium. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं bivium. Now here you can see ampulla. This is a stone canal and this is a madreporite. So particularly this canal system, it is present on the lower side or aboral side, but the stone canal and madreporite, it is present on the aboral side, यानी ऊपर के side में. So you will get oral and aboral. So oral side madreporite is there, where the madreporite is present. It is known as bivium in between two arms, and rest of the three arms are known as trivium. So this is a structure of a madreporite, where I can see the grooves, the pores. 250 pores are there, and these pores are forming each singly the pore canals. These pore canals collectively forms the collecting canal. These pore canals are forms the collecting canal, and it opens into ampulla. It opens into ampulla. This ampulla, it is bulging, it is slightly wide in structure, where it lead into stone canal. This is the stone canal. Here I can see the stone canal. So madreporite, ampulla and stone canal. It is connecting to the pentagonal ring canal. ये जो है pentagonal, this is a ring canal where this stone canal is present. Now, when we see the digestive system of Asterias, the water vascular system of Asterias, the pyloric ceca, as somebody have discussed about this in seminar, all these structures are present in the pentagonal disc and in the arm. So, consequently, the water vascular system and digestive system lie side by side. So, here, first is a madreporite that I told you, that how many furrows are there, ring pore canals are there, then the pores are there, collecting canal is there, stone canal is there. All they, you can see here, all they are perforated with cilia. So constant beating of the cilia, water enters through this particular madreporite. Water enters through this madreporite. It comes to the ampulla, then stone canal, then ring canal, then radial canal, and then the ampulla. This is particularly the structure of ampulla that we will see. That is likely to be the locomotory organ. That it acts as a dropper. When we press the dropper, air or water, it removes and it's stuck to the substratum. Like that, alternating small and large tubes are there. Tubes are consisting of ampulla, podium, and sucker. Then we will see stone canal. It is a S-shaped tube opening on the oral side into the ring canal around the mouth. This is a stone canal. This is the stone canal. It is opening to the ring canal towards the oral side. ये ओरल मैंने पहले ही बताया, ये इतना जो डिस्टेंस है ओरल और एबोरल स्ट्रक्चर का है. ओरल और एबोरल का जो स्पेस है, इसमें ये स्टोन कैनाल है. ऊपर के साइड में you will get a madreporite, on the lower side you will get a ring canal, or oral side में you will get a ring canal, and in between that there is a stone canal. It is a calcified ring and lined internally with ciliated cell. The beating of cilia drawn water into canal. The stone canal is a simple tube. It is in young starfish, but in adults, wall produces a prominent ridges. So, young sea star में ये stone canal जो है simple रहता है, but the young older asterias you will get the stiff and ciliated cells are present in the stone canal. After that, the ridge is bifurcated to form spirally rolled lamella. ये जो दिख रहे हैं, these are the spirally rolled lamella which are present in the stone canal. This is a stone canal, total stone canal, and here you will get spirally rolled lamellas are there, and these are also perforated with. These are the structure. These are the structure which are present in the stone canal. Madreporite, ampulla, stone canal. These are the fine, minute structure that I am particularly explaining this part. So this is present in stone canal with an axial organ. This is an axial sinus with a axial organ is enclosed in coelomic sac. The axial sinus, axial organ is there, and axial sinus is here, that is present in nearby the we can say stone canal. The three together forms axial complex. यानी axial organ, stone canal, and axial sinus, all they are forming axial complex. Then we will see a ring canal. This is a pentagonal ring canal. This is a pentagonal ring canal. As we see, the asterias have 5 arms. Pentagonal disc is there. As such, the shape of the ring canal is also a particularly a pentagonal ring canal. फॉर्मिंग अ रिंग अराउंड ओसोफेगस। यहाँ पे बीच में क्या रहेगा? ओसोफेगस रहेगा। द एंगल ऑफ पेंटागोनल इज इन द रेडियल पोजीशन। इसका जो एंगल है यहाँ से रेडियल कैनल आगे जाएगा। कहाँ तक जाएगा? आर्म के टिप तक जाएगा, आर्म के टिप तक। सो यू विल गेट द रेडियल कैनल स्टार्टिंग एट द corner or angle of ring canal, and here radial canal extend up to the tip of the arm, and which is blind. It is not remain open, which is blind. Blind का मतलब it is particularly closed. And on lateral side, lateral canals are there. These are the lateral canals. These are the lateral canal. And ampulla or tube feet are there. Smaller or alternate with larger. Smaller or alternate with larger tube feet are there. Then Tiedemann's bodies. These are the Tiedemann's bodies are also known as Racimo's bodies. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. 9 Tiedemann's bodies are there, and in the 10th Tiedemann's body position, there is an opening of stone canal. There is an opening of stone canal. So there are these black structures which are known as Tiedemann's bodies. From its inner side of the ring canal produces 5 pairs of greatly folded pouches called Racimo's vesicle or Tiedemann's bodies. These are one Tiedemann's body between each radii. ये जो है एक जो Tiedemann's body का पेयर है, ये इसके बीच में है, दो आर्म के बीच में एक पेयर है. That is known as Tiedemann's body. There is one Tiedemann's body between each radii and interradii, except in which such position where the stone canal enters the ring canal. Stone canal except the stone canal. यहाँ पे जो रेसिमोस बॉडी था वो माइनस हो गया. तो यहाँ पे टोटल कितने हो गए? 9 Tiedemann's bodies are there. There are thus 9 Tiedemann's bodies. The cavity of each Tiedemann's body is divided into number of chambers. अब ये थोड़ा सा डिटेल देखेंगे कि भाई Tiedemann's bodies है क्या. The cavity of Tiedemann's bodies is divided into number of chambers which communicate to the ring canal, which are communicating to the ring canal. ये Tiedemann's bodies है. All these Tiedemann's bodies are possessing number of chambers and they are communicating to the pentagonal ring canal. The actual function of Tiedemann's body is still unknown. इसका function जो है अभी तक पता नहीं चला कि what is the function of the Tiedemann's body. They are supposed to be lymphatic gland. They are supposed to be lymphatic gland and manufacture the amoebocytes. मैंने सबसे शुरुआत में ही बताया था कि in this particular water vascular system, sea water is entering through the madreporite, but inside this water vascular system, there is a presence of amoebocytes. Now these amoebocytes may be produced by Tiedemann's bodies, and they are remain in the water vascular system. Okay. Then radial canal. These are the radial canal. How many radial canals will be there? If the pentagonal ring canal is there, so 5 arms are there. 5 radial canals will be there. That I told you that these are blindly open. Blindly open means there will be close end of this radial canal. There will be close end of this radial canal. And here entry of the water is stopped. So where it will go? To the lateral canal, to the podium, to the ampulla, podium and sucker. तो यहाँ से पानी बाहर जाएगा. Okay. Then lateral canals. So number of the tube feet are there. So number of the lateral canals will be there. As the number, as we know, ambulacral grooves are there on the oral side, at up to the tip, from the mouth, actinostome to the tip. Here 2 rows of tube feet are there, and these ambulacral grooves are also perforated with calcareous spines. So this groove is perforated or opening of these tube feet sucker towards the oral side, which are in a 2 rows. So up to the tip, there are these tube feet are there. In this diagram, Here they have cut this radial canal, but it is not remain cut. It opened blindly into the up to the tip of the arm. As such, the tube feet are also increasing up to the tip of the arm, and towards the lower side, oral side, there will be an opening of these tube feet on the ambulacral grooves. Okay. Now, these lateral canal transverse are podial canal. Lateral canal को ही क्या बोलते हैं? Podial canal. And each lateral canal contains a valve to prevent backward flow of the fluid. Each lateral canal, यहाँ पे हर lateral canal यहाँ पे स्पिंक्चर रहता है कि यहाँ पे बैकवर्ड फ्लो जाना नहीं चाहिए. यहाँ से पानी इधर जाएगा पर इधर से पानी इधर नहीं जाएगा. That is important. So backward flow of the water is prevented because of the valves they are present on the lateral particularly canal. So water will enter from this madreporoid, ampulla, stone canal, radial canal, pentagonal ring canal, radial canal, lateral canal, and then it will fill the ampulla, podium, and sucker. ये सबको भर देता है. So here we will see the tube foot or podium. Tube feet को ही podium बोलते हैं. So tube feet or podium, it is consisting of hollow elastic thin walled closed like sac-like structure. It contains the upper sac that is known as ampulla. ये ऊपर का जो है इसको बोलते हैं ampulla, और ये तीनों मिला के जो बनता है उसको बोलते हैं tube feet. A middle tubular podium, and lower disc-like flattened sucker. Lower flattened disc-like sucker is there. So ampulla, it is a bag-like or a sac-like structure. Tubular podium is there, sucker is there. Single को बोलते हैं tube feet, और बहुत सारे इसको बोलेंगे tube foots. The ampulla lies within the arm, projecting into the coelom, and ambulacral pore which gaps between the adjacent ambulacral ossicles for the passage of the podium. Now all these podium are tube feet. They are opening into the ambulacral grooves, and the podium are arranged in two double rows. ये मैंने आपको बताया, podiums are arranged in two double rows. ये smaller, larger, smaller, larger. They are present in the arm. तो यहाँ पे कितने हो गए? 2 लाइन हो गए. यहाँ पे भी कितने हो गए? 2 लाइन हो गए. So 2 rows of double rows along the length of ambulacral groove. जितना ambulacral groove का या arm का structure रहेगा, that particular it is covered by tube feet. After that, they are chief locomotory and respiratory organ. They are the chief locomotory and respiratory organ and function of water vascular system. The water vascular system is lined with cilia and is filled with the fluid very similar to sea water. This fluid, however, contains coelomocytes, a little protein, and high concentration of potassium ion. ये जो fluid है, इसमें आपको क्या मिलता है? coelomocytes मिलते हैं, protein मिलता है, and then potassium ions are there. System operates hydraulic system. System operates hydraulic system and bring about locomotion, adhesion to the substratum, and capture and handling of the food. Capture and handling of the food. All these functions are perforated with the help of tube feet. अगर किसी caterpillar को जमीन पे चलना है, if one has to move from one place to other, the caterpillar or earthworm, then what they do, they use their legs, prolegs. They use their prolegs. Now these tube feet also taking the function as that of the locomotion. अब इसको लोकोमोट करना है 1 सेंटीमीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर अगर इसको लोकोमोट करना है तो इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? These tube feet has to fill with the water first. So water will come from this madreporoid, ampulla, stone canal, pentagonal ring canal, radial canal, lateral canal, and then this ampulla and podium will fill with the water. Reverse flow of the water is prohibited with the help of valves. अब ये पानी यहाँ पे भरा है, ठीक है? And it creates the pressure, that is a hydraulic pressure, and when this ampulla press, the water will move. The water will move from this ampulla and the sucker will stuck to the substratum. Sucker will stuck to the substratum. like that opening of the sucker, releasement of the water, step by step of that particular arm, then that arm will move slowly, steadily, slowly, steadily. Then the other arm tube feet also function like that. And this particular asteria don't have eyes, don't have sense organ, but the tip have particular ocelli. So these particular arms have sensation where they has to go, whether the prey has to open. If the bivalves are there, it has to be open. So with the help of these tube feet, they attach their tube feet to the two surface and open the bivalve. Bivalve का मतलब shell जो है उसको open करते हैं, and then they grab their digestive part with the help of cardiac digestive system. So this particularly podium, ampulla and sucker perform like a dropper. पानी वहां से बाहर चला जाएगा, फिर से पानी भरा जाएगा. कहां से भरेंगे? Madreporite, ampulla, stone canal, ring canal, radial canal, lateral canal and ampulla. Like that, again, vacant podium, ampulla will get filled with the water. Like that, hydraulic water pressure, hydraulic system is there. Like that, emptying of ampulla and filling of ampulla. This is a continuous process. If all ampulla get empty, it is water will come from the madreporite and it will be filled by the water. All ampulla will be filled. So like that, it gives turgidity to the ampulla, pressure to the ampulla, and whenever they want, this asteria wants to move from one place to other, locomotion has to done. Then that time, these ampulla empty, again filled, again empty. Like that, there occurs the slow and steady locomotion of asterias. Even they capture the food, prey with the help of these tube feet. They adaze one of the substrat. Even they crawl on the stone upside down with the help of tube feet. But there is a problem that if substratums are like that and doing this lateral side movement of over the stone or substratum, suppose they fall down on the aboral surface, it is difficult for the asterias to become on the oral surface. अगर ये उल्टा गिर गया तो उसको सीधा होने के लिए बहुत घंटों लग जाएंगे, बहुत दिन लग जाएंगे, because tube feet they are on the oral surface. So this is all about that. I explained that the remedial coaching classes, in that particularly this topic I have chosen means in the feedback link, some of the students have sent the message that particularly water vascular system, sir, repeat it, I do not understand. So I repeat this particular topic. You have that link. I already sent this link to the group. So find it out the link. If you find some topic that should be repeated, that should be explained again, then you can send the message to the link, fill the link, and I will explain. This is all about the remedial coaching class. If regarding to this topic, if you have some problems today, अब भी अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, you can ask me any question. No questions? One side delivery. If you have a question on this, I thoroughly explain all these particular parts of the vascular system. Again, I summarize this: madreporite, ampulla, stone canal, then pentagonal ring canal, Tideman's bodies का function बताया, उसके बाद रेडियल कैनल, उसके बाद ट्यूब फिट, एम्पुला, पोडियम, सकर, इसके बारे में बताया. उसके बाद यहाँ पे मैड्रेपोराइट का स्ट्रक्चर मैंने आपको दिखाया हूँ. यहाँ पे पोर्स रहते हैं, पोर्स कैनल्स रहते हैं, कलेक्टिंग कैनल्स रहते हैं, एम्पुला रहता है. उसके बाद एक्सियल साइनस, देन लैमिला ऑफ अ स्टोन कैनल, ये सब यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है. So this is all about the remedial coaching class. If some diagrams are remain, I have to see this. This is all about the topic. If you have some problem, or you can share with the. किसी को कुछ पूछना है?